How to recover Telegram account without email or phone. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. But for this trick to work, it is quite mandatory that you have saved your password or your Telegram authentication with Google. Otherwise this trick will not work. So let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Gmail on your device. After that, click on your profile at the top right hand side corner. Then select the option of Manage Google Account. Here, you would be able to find the option of Security. Simply select it. In Security, simply scroll down and at the bottom, you would be able to find this option of Password Manager. Simply click on Manage Passwords. And all the passwords that you have saved in your device using Google will appear over here. Just simply click on the option of Telegram. And this way you would be able to log into Telegram without the need of email or phone number. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.